Hi, my dear students. This is Suresh Kumar, your chemistry teacher. This is our channel, Suresh Kumar. In the previous class, we were already completed more about salts and also chloroalkyl process. Today, in this video, I would like to explain about some of the important chemical substances, okay, and also water crystallization. Right. First substance is nothing but bleaching powder. That chemical name is called calcium oxychloride. Okay, chemical formula is CaOCl2. Right. So then after preparation means we know very well chlorine gas can be produced in the chloroalkyl process. Means electricity can be passed through the brain solution. Brain solution is nothing but aqueous NaCl. Then produces chlorine gas. That chlorine gas can be passed over the dry slaked lime. Then form a calcium oxychloride, means bleaching powder. Right. Here CaOH twice. This is the dry slaked lime. Then a chlorine gas can be passed through it, right? Then form a CaOCl2 and also H2O water. Right, this is the bleaching powder. Okay, then properties of bleaching powder. This is a white powder which gives strong smell of chlorine. Okay, and also it can be soluble in a cold water. Right. Then after discussion about the uses of bleaching powder. For bleaching the linen and also cotton in textile industry, and also for bleaching wood pulp in paper industry, okay, and also for bleaching for to the washing cloths in laundry, okay, and also it can be used as a oxidizing agent in many chemical industries. Okay, it can be used as a disinfectant agent, okay, for drinking water free of germs, and thereafter it can be used as a reagent, chemical reagent, okay, in the preparation of chloroform. Chloroform means CHCl3. Then after, the second compound is nothing but baking soda. So baking soda chemical name sodium hydrogen carbonate. Okay, chemical formula is NaHCO3. Right. Preparation means NaCl plus H2O, okay, and CO2 and ammonia NH3 gives rise to NH4Cl ammonium chloride and also NaHCO3. So NaHCO3 means sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bi means baking soda, right? So properties. This is consists of white crystals which are sparingly soluble in water. Sparingly means very less. Okay, అదే మన తెలుగులో చెప్పంటే తక్కువగా means అరుదుగా, very small quantity it can be dissolved in the water, and mild and non-corrosive base. Then after discussion about that uses, antacid in medicine to decrease the acidity, okay, and also it is used as a mild antiseptic, okay, and also it can be used to making a, okay, baking powder. What is meant by baking powder? Baking powder means baking soda, okay, baking soda plus edible acid. Edible acid means mild acids. Okay, baking soda means NaHCO3. Edible acid means tartaric acid or vinegar. Vinegar contains acetic acid. Okay, acetic acid CH3COOH. Okay, yeah, and also you can add hot water. Then after, what is the reaction takes place? This is the mild base. This is the mild acid. Okay, then form a salt, corresponding salt means CH3COONA plus H2O, okay, plus CO2 gas. CO2 gas can be liberated. Due to the liberation of that CO2 gas, okay, means here the baking powder which can be used in that bakeries, okay, to make breads. Okay, what will happen when you can add the baking powder? The CO2 gas can be liberated. Okay, when the CO2 gas can be comes through the bread, what means some gaps can be formed between the bread. So at that time it will be bulges out and also make a sponginess. Okay, right. Then after it can be used as a fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher means here baking soda, baking means NaHCO3, and in the fire extinguisher cylinder contains acid H2SO4, sulfuric acid. Then what will happen? Na2SO4, okay, plus H2O plus CO2 gas can be liberated. Okay, CO2 gas can be liberated. Huge amount of CO2 gas can be liberated. That CO2 gas can be stop the fire. Means it can be used as a fire extinguisher. Right. Then the next compound is nothing but washing soda. Right. So chemical name is called sodium carbonate decahydrate. Sodium carbonate decahydrate. Chemical formula is Na2CO3 dot 10H2O. Right. Okay. Preparation. So we know very well sodium bicarbonate preparation, NaCl plus H2O plus CO2 plus NH3 gas, then form a NH4Cl and also NaHCO3, right? When NaHCO3 can be heated, okay, then Na2CO3 will be formed. Okay, Na2CO3. Okay, Na2CO3 is nothing but means Na2CO3 is anhydrated salt. Why? Because it does not have any water molecules. So Na2CO3 plus 10H2O gives rise to Na2CO3 dot 10H2O. Right. This is the washing soda chemical formula. Then properties. It is a transparent crystalline solid and also soluble in water, and it acts as an alkaline. Okay, alkaline means the base which can be dissolved in the water. Such a base are called alkalines. Right. Then uses. It can be used in the glass, soap and paper industries. Okay, and also used in the manufacturing of sodium compound such as borax. Okay, borax means Na2B4O7 dot 8H2O. Na2B4O7 dot 8H2O. That is the chemical formula of borax, and it can be used as a cleaning agent for domestic purpose. Okay, and also removing the permanent hardness of water. Okay, permanent hardness of water, right? Then after, the next compound is called gypsum. Okay, gypsum chemical name is calcium sulfate dihydrate. Chemical formula CaSO4.2H2, right? When properties it is a white powder, okay, and it is has a property to setting a hard mass, okay, when it wetting with water, right? When CaSO4.2H2O means gypsum can be heated at particular temperature. Means 100 degrees Celsius, okay, or 373 Kelvin temperature. It can be losses 1.5 water molecule. Means CaSO4 dot of H2O, CaSO4 dot of H2O plus it can be lost 1.5 water molecule. The CaSO4 dot of H2 is nothing but POP, okay, plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris, right? So it can be heated, means and you can heat the gypsum, we can control to heating, that is a must, you have taken the precautions, okay. And if you can heat it more than 100 degrees Celsius, CaSO4.2H2O, okay, so above 100 degrees Celsius, you can heat it. It can be losses those two water molecules, means then form a CaSO4 and 2H2O molecules can be lost. CaSO4, okay, it is called dead blast plaster. Right. Okay, plaster Paris chemical name is calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Okay, calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Okay, means one CaSO4 molecule can be combined with half water molecule. It can be written as CaSO4, okay, means 2CaSO4 dot H2O. 2CaSO4 dot H2O means here 2 CaSO4 molecules can be combined with one H2O molecule, right? And uses of plaster Paris. Okay, it can be used to make a toys and materials for decoration items. Okay, and also smoothness of the surfaces. Okay, for means putty works. Okay, and also doctors are used this plaster Paris for supporting the fractured bones in the correct position, right? Okay, right. Then after discussion about that water of crystallization. water of crystallization means the fixed number of water molecules present in a one unit, okay, one formula unit of salt, okay, the fixed number of water molecules present in a, okay, a formula unit of salt is called water of crystallization. Okay, due to the water of crystallization only, the salt can be appears in the color. Okay, when you touch that salt, we do not feel in the wetness. Means the water molecules are fixed in the structure. Okay, here one of the activities there based upon that water of crystallization, very important activity regarding to our public point of view. So here you have take the one test tube. In the test tube we have taken that copper sulfate crystals, and you can add some water, means the copper sulfate crystals, okay. So CuSO4.5H2O, this is the chemical formula, means this is the hydrated copper sulfate. Due to this is water crystallization, means in this formula unit 5 water molecules are fixed. Due to this water molecules only, it can be appears as a blue color. So when it can be heated, okay, right, when the test tube can be introduced the flame of the Bunsen burner, you can observe that the water molecules which are present in this compound, those are evaporates, means the compound can be loses its water molecules. You can observe that water molecules can be obtained on the wall of this test tube. Then also you can observe that salt can be loses its color, means first of its color is blue when water molecules are present in it. When it can be loses 5 water molecules, then the color turns to white. Okay, then after cooling, then you can add few amount of salt, means few amount of water. Okay, then the blue color can be reappearance. Okay, so this is called water of crystallization. So here the total lesson acid and base salt completely over. And next video I would like to upload in the YouTube channel, in my channel Suresh Keminar. Mostly those are related to intermediate oriented, okay, and CVAC oriented and techno oriented. Okay, thank you my students, keep watching it.